Spoke with Governor DeSantis and approved an emergency declaration for Florida, according to the White House. Tampa International Airport will suspend all operations beginning at midnight. And when we discuss these tropical systems, you often see the cone of uncertainty issued by the National Hurricane Center. First Alert meteorologist Emily Acton is live with us now explaining what this cone actually tells us. Emily.
Well, the cone can be misleading for several reasons. The most common one is most people think that the cone is the actual size and direct path of the storm. Now, this is just where these spaghetti models, that's exactly what it's called, just different model runs. There's roughly 10 to 15 that will go through, and that's where we kind of outline that cone there based off of where those models are on average. Of course, we have a couple that are a little bit inside and outside the cone, but this is not the actual size of the hurricane. This is just saying within this cone, that's where the center of the hurricane will go. So impacts can be seen well outside of the cone. So that's something that is often misleading. About a 60 or 70% chance of it being the eye in the center of the storm will be within that cone. So relatively accurate, but the smaller the cone is, that's whenever we are more certain, higher confidence there. And that's kind of when you see as we go out to closer to day 5, that's when the cone gets a little bit bigger there. But nonetheless, just remember, you can still see impacts outside of that cone of uncertainty.
And something we'll be keeping our eyes on. Thanks for that, Emily. Governor Brian Kemp